programming a key for 2009 Acura MDX. So Acura, agree. Okay, then you go to mobilize the system, auto. This is a 16 pin. The 3 pin is the older models from I think 2001 to 2006. So now I'm gonna switch the ignition on. Oh, okay. Now it's in the on position. So now it's determining this is the 4th gen. The mobilizer system is not the 3rd gen. This is the 4th generation. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing a key, an added key. So I'm going to add 1 key. Customer only wants 1 key added, which is this one. So turn off the ignition switch and turn it on with the original key. So move the original key, please. This is the original key here. Just going to turn it to the 2nd position. 1, 2. Then I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to go back to add key again because it wouldn't let me access the system because this key was no good. So I'm going to turn off the ignition now like it says. Turn the ignition switch with the original key. Turn it on back on again. Turn off the ignition switch. So now take out the old key. Take the new key. Put it in the ignition. Turn it to the 2nd position. So now it's going to add the new key. Now I have to turn off the ignition. Turn on the ignition. Turn off the ignition. Turn on the ignition. Is the mobilizer light on the dashboard? Yeah, it is. There's no blinking key light. Turn off the ignition. Turn on the ignition with the original key. Take this one out. Put the original one in. Turn on the ignition. Key registration has been completed. Turn off the ignition. Take that out of the ignition. Press OK. Check all keys to ensure. Turn the ignition on. Okay, and that's it. So now I'm going to check the keys to make sure that they work. This is the original one. Starts the car perfectly fine. Everything is good to go. Then now I have the new one. It's just programmed. Works perfectly fine. Starts up the vehicle. Now we have to program this, the fob itself. So I go to key. Hold on, here's remote. Give me 1 second. Alright, so right now I'm just going to program the remote because the remote's not programmed right now. So it doesn't lock and unlock the doors. Let me try this one. Okay, program remote. Switch the ignition on. Ignition is on. Press yes. Press the lock button. And then press OK. Number of remotes, 3. Program complete. And that's it. Good to go. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace.